Alrighty, well, good morning, everyone. As you can see, we have the system here, and today we are going to actually get caught up on stuff that was not recorded. So I built the system a couple months back. i7-7800X, 6-core, 12-thread, a Zeus X299 Rampage Extreme Omega motherboard, 128 gigs, DDR4, Corsair, Vengeance Pro, RGB, 3200 megahertz, and then we have two Asus 2080 Ti's with three 360 rads. We have two XR7 Corsair 360s, and then we have an XR5. We have a Fantex Glacier water block, and then we have a Swiftech Maelstrom 150 D5 pump reservoir combo. Total of 10 XSPC Pro 120 millimeter PWM fans. Let's see here, and then we have a Corsair HX 1000i on it. It did have a AX 1200 on it, or an AX 1200i I should say, but I was experiencing some issues with it, so just for shits and giggles I decided to pull the power supply out and swap it for the HX 100 or 1000i, which is cool because it allows me to monitor the power supply and fan functions in Corsair IQ software. So I kept it minimal for RGB. You got the LED strip on the front right here. You got that one there that I added in because this one's stuck to the Lee & Lee 011D-XL chassis, and then it's got the RGB on the memory and on the motherboard. Keep it simple, not too much, not too overpowering. So anyhow, the water cooling setup on it, since I've been working on it the last couple of days, I decided that I would run some Primo Chill loop prep through. So it's been running technically off and on for the last 48, we're about 48 hours now. And since there wasn't a whole lot of gunk buildup or whatnot in it to really worry about, just draining it and running the cleaner through to make sure it's good, we're actually going to start draining the loop prep right now and cycling it out with interchanges of distilled water. So we'll drain the loop, I'll fill the reservoir full with the distilled water, let that cycle through, drain a little bit more, throw some more in, let that cycle through, drain it out. So I figure probably, since there's about 32 ounces roughly, I want to say, in there, I think it's maybe a little bit more, 64, I don't know. I think 2 of these bottles in there. So we're gonna cycle the loop prep through and get that rinsed out, and then once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and put system prep in, the sys prep by Primo Chill, and we're gonna run that for probably about 12 hours. So it's probably going to be a 2-part video, if not more. What I'll do is I'll probably end up doing a time lapse on the drain and fill, because it's going to take forever and no one wants to watch that kind of lengthy video. And then when I get ready to do the sys prep, I'll drain the loop pretty much all the way. So case will be tilted and you get to see all the fun stuff, but I'll probably do that in a time lapse as well. And then we'll get the sys prep going and let that run for about a day, and then I'll go through another video on cycling that through for a rinse, drain a little, distill, drain a little, distill, drain a little, distill, just keep it going, just dilute it down as it goes. So I think loop prep should take roughly about a gallon, and then sys prep will probably go through about 2 gallons on it, because I'm assuming from what I've read, it's a little bit more acidic than the loop prep. So that one will require just a little bit more to get rinsed out. And then afterwards, we shall decide on if I'm going to run the Primo Chill view that I have in silver or the Primo Chill view that I have in red in this system. I'll probably do silver with just because of the lighting scheme on this one, but yeah. And then I might actually do a couple changes on the loop, because the GPU loop off the bottom radiator, I don't really like how it's positioned. I've actually just noticed how funky that is. I don't like the side radiator to the pump top or the reservoir top. A couple other things that I might change. You know, it ended up being a fun build, but not exactly the way I wanted. So I have to do a little bit of work on it, and maybe see if I can change it up, make it look a little more appealing, and go from there. So hope you guys enjoy time lapse.